What's going on YouTube? We have a beautiful orange Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. Look at these cool lights up here, but all the action's in the back. Let's show you what we did back here. Here at Truck Access Plus, we do overland builds, rooftop tents, bed racks, bed covers. This is for off-roading when you get stuck. Fire extinguisher. We have a whole bunch of going on back there. We'll get to that in a second, but take a moment to look inside this TRD Pro. Look at the big screen in there and the nice seats. You get a whole bunch when you get a truck like this. A lot of room back there for your camping, for your family. But now that you have a bed cover, you can keep all your cargo back here. This is an adjustable rack, so you can put it taller. And this is the Rocky Black Sky Camp 4-person tent. Look at how it fits on there perfect. We're gonna show you once they're all done, but it also has a retractable bed cover. Visit Truck Access Plus. We do racks, tents, covers, and so much more. TruckAccessPlus.com.